Let's talk citrus. With these basic steps, your trees will be bursting with juicy goodness all season long. First up, sun, space, and soil. Citrus trees love full sun and well-draining soil. When planting in the ground, dig a hole large enough for the root ball and mix in compost, bone meal, and a balanced fertilizer. For pots, use a large container and save space and potting soil by placing empty plastic bottles at the bottom. Feed regularly. Citrus are heavy feeders. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer high in nitrogen and potassium every 4 months. And potted citrus may need a liquid feed in spring and summer. After harvest, switch to a root strengthening fertilizer to prepare your tree for the next season. Water wisely. Deep soak once a week in summer and every 2 weeks in winter. Potted trees need more frequent watering, but don't overdo it. Some drought stress before fruiting can improve sweetness. For trees planted in the ground, water the drip zone as they have shallow, fine roots that spread out. Deep watering and mulching help roots lock in moisture without becoming waterlogged. Prune with purpose. Remove dead or crossing branches and thin out older trees to allow light and airflow. No heavy pruning needed, just a little shaping. And finally, watch for pests. Citrusilla can cause bumps on leaves where nymphs feed. If ants are climbing your tree, they may be farming aphids or scale insects. Natural predators like ladybugs and lacewings help keep pests in check. If the infestation becomes severe, use an organic insecticide with pyrethrin sparingly, as it can also harm beneficial insects. Juice up your mornings with the right citrus care. Find everything you need at your local GCA Garden Centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to locate one near you.